Hey guys and girls, I'm doing my Latch Hook and I am on my 26th row already, and I know you think I'm kind of good on my Latch Hook, so I'm just let you know that because this is a piano for my sister Micah, because my sister loves music a lot because she wants to be in majoring in music and trumpet performance. So, I made this piano last week for her because it's going to be at work for her in her dorm room in the basement where the laundry mat is. And so to let you guys and girls know that because it'll be awesome. And hey, you know what? All you guys and girls out there are being way stupid enough. You guys and girls get hurt easy because I keep hearing police cars and ambulance around on my house, and I don't want any guys and girls have a gun and go to my house and shoot me. That would be really stupid to do. I just want you people out there notice that because I know Kung Fu. Because Kung Fu is for self-defense. Because in self-defense wise, if someone attacks you behind you, you can attack them. Like flipping them, kick them in the stomach, or you can hit them in the groin. Or for Chanya, for a goal. Just to let you guys and girls to know that because I don't want you guys and girls to quit being stupid. So that's all I need to know. I want all you guys and girls to listen to me about being stupid. Being stupid means that you're doing something terribly stupid enough that you can go on a roof and hurt yourself really bad, and get in the knife in the kitchen and cut yourself. That means it's a suicide, because suicide means that if you want to kill yourself, you just have to get a knife and to stop yourself. That's all you need to do for a suicide. And for a gun too, if you cock the gun loaded, if the gun is loaded, just put the gun into your chin right here, just to your head upwards, and your blood goes to your head outwards. That's attempted to suicide. And another suicide for a gun, just put your gun like right here, right next to your brain. That's another suicide. You can't do that. Every step you take when you jump on a brick wall or something, that's a suicide. You can't do stupid things like that. It's just wrong. Like God said to me, like, yeah, I says, love yourself. I love yourself as I loved you. Also, your enemies have to love you too. That's what God said to me. It says, He says that you can't do stupid enough. You can't be stupid enough because you can't do anything stupid like that. So have a nice day. I hope you guys and girls don't be stupid. And don't yell and cuss. Cussing's really bad too. I just let you know that because cussing's wrong. And killing yourself is wrong. Killing your friends and your family is wrong. I just let you know that.